Okay. Peace now.
Huh?
Peace now.
Peace? We had a little bit of an upset. Yeah. What's your name? Hey, worship. We're going to go to the lake. Just had a good breakfast here, and waiting for Bubba. She says Bubba wants to put on the pop deck. I said, Bubba, you don't need pop deck. You don't need pop deck for the evening. It's really cold in the evening, so you need the pop deck. Here we are. This is the road. 24H. Okay. It says it's here. Has arrived. 24H? This one? This one? No? Is it?
Okay.
Yeah? Is it? Grab? Grab. No grab? Okay. Hang on. So I walked up here last night for the laundry. Very noisy last night. Yay, Bubba's in supper. She wants supper. She got supper. She wants Vietnam. We got Vietnam. So we're gonna go to. Looks like it's gonna. There's a rain, but who knows? I didn't really check forecast. Yeah. We just packed our.
But it's actually
foggy. We
it's
packed.
good that we packed.
Yeah, we packed. So we just gotta go get the money out of the safe, and then we're gonna look around here. Then we're gonna go to Hanoi. 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 So there's a few of these ladies there. Up here, this is where we changed our money here at this bank on the right here. The rate, obviously, probably change your money at the airport is the best we found out. It's reversed here. Normally the airport's bad with the rate, but the bank we had to change here, which is the rate's way less than the airport. So change your money at the airport before you come here. It's the best method, I think. You like that, Lucky, don't you?
This one is very funny.
No, we don't have to.
This one's lucky.
We got lucky. What lucky last night? Little bear. He's holding a pot of gold. Pot of gold for 2026. So
Lucky, isn't it?
Skeek's lucky. Lucky because we're here. We just made it. There's I'll say above a skeek. Above a skeek. That's holding a I don't know, holding a globe, I think. So we haven't walked up here. You're gonna be physically fit. Yeah. Shut the door, Bubba. Shut the door, Bubba. Shut the door. There you go.
No, this is.
Oh, that's yours. Okay. That's my bag. Okay. Here we go, Bubba. All right, let's get the mic out. SAPA Lake, here in SAPA Lake. I was just adjusting this. It's not too bad actually, it's not that cold.
Wait, I will just.
I'll put it out. So we've got this here in the background. It says, I love you. Hey, Bubba, I love you. See? So you get your photo. And then there's quite a few shops around here as well.
See, Bubba.
I think I've messed up Bubba gave me this. Wait. So, as we first arrived, I was seeing the bus run around here. Oh, nice, but it looked quite nice, and we arrived pretty late. I think it's about, what, 7 o'clock or something? 7, 8, 7? Yeah, so been here a couple of days now, and then we're going to go back to Hanoi. Look at Hanoi, so Bubba's just dressing there. said to Bubba, we need to go to the lake. So she said, yeah, okay, we'll go to the lake. We just got the best way to go is with the grab. So we did the grab because a lot of walking. We've been doing a lot of walking, and if it's flat, this is okay because it's all flat around the lake. My hair look okay? And I've got my lady here. She's sorting out we're preparing to walk around the lake. Okay. You good, dear? Yeah. Okay. We're all I'm getting a lot better because I did come down with the flu. So I managed to get rid of that. And here we go, look at that. Lovely. It's nice. The lake here, I don't know what that says, what it means. There's a lake in the back. Look, I love you. Okay, so we'll go over this sign here. I was going to take a picture. I love you. Okay. I was getting the camera, so there's a nice little spot here for your photos. Come here and get this.
Yeah,
You can put Hanoi in the middle of it, so I love you, and put Hanoi across there on the, so that was just taken there. The camera was a bit out of angle. There's I suppose. Okay? That's it, yeah. That's it. That's it. Love you. Your Bubba's taking the photos. I reckon, Bubba? It's nice, because there's no sun. Where's the sun gone, Bubba? Oh, well, I've got sunglasses on. I used to be wearing sunglasses in Australia. I always wear sunglasses, so I'll take these off. Okay. You don't need sunglasses here, so it's nice. It's the first time here. This is when we first come in the bus that we've seen this nice area around here. Oh, it's a lake.
it's a lake,
nice.
Papa. It's a lake.
It's nice to go to new places, dear. Nice to see the world.
Yeah.
Hey, see what it's like. I mean, yeah, never been here before. Paths are a little bit, dodgy down there, but Vietnam, Bubba. We're in Vietnam. This here looks a bit dodgy. I'll go back. See that path there? That wouldn't happen that's not too good, that path. Okay, so this is the lake, and nice flowers here. Oh, good spot for photos. Here, it looks like there's a boat. There are a couple of boats there. A couple of boats here. Oh dear. It's actually quite cold, actually. I was bubbling me with the pop tech, but I never with the pop tech. We'll walk in this way. Reckon, dear? Europe? A little Europe. So yeah, this is nice. Very cool. What, dear? Earmuffs, yeah. It is actually quite cold. What's this here, dear? I don't know, this is quite nice here. Sunny's in there. Huh? This is quite nice here. I'm not sure. It's nice. But the sun's starting to come through a little bit. And look about Bubba, she's pretty fit, feeling fit today, dear. Feeling fit?
Yeah. Baba.
Feeling fit, Bubba? Welcome to Europe.
Oh, yeah.
This is Europe, but it's Vietnam.
No, it's
Yeah,
not nice.
nice.
What does this look like?
It's nice to not have the sun burning you.
Here?
Here?
Take a picture.
Picture here? Bubba's going to get a picture here. It's quite nice here. Good?
Oh, is that? That right?
Yay! It's a good one, dear. The sun's coming out now, Bubba.
Yeah.
The sun's coming out.
Where are you from? Shopping?
Good,
From
eh?
Mexico?
Yeah. Nice, Bubba. It does smell like a lake.
Yeah, it's a lake.
Yeah, the sun's coming out now, Bubba. No, the sun. Yeah.
It's like a lake.
No, no.
It's
A lake.
like, come on.
Lick.
Yeah, lake.
Pick on the tourists. All right. Down there, pick on the lake, Bubba.
It's nice.
It's nice. The sun's coming out now, so I was wrong. The sun's starting to creep through. Come to creep through the.
That's
It's nice, yeah. Very narrow. So everyone's down here at the lake getting some photos, you can see. Families and couples and all sorts of stuff. It's really nice. And this is nice here in the background. It's nice when there's flowers around the lake. It really is nice. It's also nice when the sun comes out as well. But yeah, that's really good. Bubba's enjoying herself back there. She's on her phone. So yeah, this is nice. Really good spot for a photo here. And a walk and some exercise. And then you can, it's by Monaco Hotel. There's a Monaco Hotel there. There's heaps of hotels around here as well. A lot of hotels, so you can just stay here and then you can walk around the park towards the evening, exercise. Many hotels actually, and a lot of places to eat as well.